I feel like that's kind of where community comes from. 25, our sexy Martha Stewart. That it's very. I've been thinking so much about how much my life goes up back to you. A totally different life, and so it just sounds way better. Came to have what it takes, because for me, I'm thinking about goals that I dedicated time. Couldn't tell what that goal or what that focus is from looking. You fall short of your goals, and it's almost like, so I put my Pilates class. So it's gonna that point though, are you the kind of person
Still all makeup,
like
Jacob Black, Rogue Homemade
for us, and we're putting in the work enough to stop things that are realizing that there are so many things possible for me that how good can it get? And translates into fitness towards other areas, but I still struggle with it, just like everyone with it. What did you do making it really plain, and also defining what does consistent look like? How do you
We're gonna do our makeup. I'm using the Lace Beauty as my bronzer. I love this bronzer down. I'm gonna contour with the Sachi Beauty contour stick. Ooh, girl, take off. I'm using the Beauty Bay blush. For concealer, I'm using the Pop My Grab concealer in the shade MD23. Trying to be quick with it. I'm gonna blend the blush first. Blend out the concealer. Elf concealer, Elf foundation. Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I'm gonna go in second time. Give me like a bit of depth. Ooh. Dry. I'm gonna tie it down. Lips. I look like a disco queen. What's one thing in it. What's that so cute? Now with remote power on. Let me do that. Kind of looks natural. Lip combo.
Temperatures trying to man to keep us warm through these cold months. But not just any man will do. Out here looking for some
big boys. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm using the Baby Girl Hot Ombre Cosmetics gloss. Literally, that's it. I'm not doing anything else. If I change my mind, if I change my mind, I might go in with my Miamo Cosmetics later. I'm not going to do this one later, but for now. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, should I add more? I think this is cute. Yeah, this gloss is so pretty. It is iconic. I love it. I feel like I'm about to get in like a 2000s music video.